Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove the spare tire from your Chrysler Town and Country. First, locate the access panel for the spare tire, typically found in the rear cargo area. Next, retrieve the jack handle and other tools from their storage compartment. You'll use the jack handle to engage the lowering mechanism. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level, firm surface before proceeding with any tire work for safety. Once you've located the lowering mechanism, insert the square end of the jack handle into the receiver. Begin turning the handle counterclockwise. This action will slowly unwind the cable that holds the spare tire in place. As the tire descends, gently guide it to prevent it from swinging or getting caught. Continue turning until the tire is fully on the ground and the cable is slack. With the spare tire resting on the ground, you'll need to detach it from the lowering cable. Reach under the vehicle and pull the cable through the center of the wheel. There's usually a retaining plate or bracket at the end of the cable that secures the tire. Angle this plate to pass it through the wheel's center hole. Once detached, you can easily slide the spare tire out from under the vehicle. Now that you've removed the spare, you'll need to address the flat tire. If you're replacing it with the spare, place the flat tire in the spare's original storage area. Secure it properly using the lowering mechanism in reverse or any straps provided to prevent it from shifting while driving. Then, proceed to a service center to have your flat tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.